You could have kept the magnets in the thing, but you didn't. I don't know why. What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, I got a nice little tool. This is a new one. This is from Milwaukee Tool. They sent it out, but I want to go over the old one right here. This guy. I mean, it's not technically the old one, but it kind of is because, well, they didn't have one before. This is an M12 mechanics light. Really nice, high-powered magnets on here. This thing is absolutely awesome, and it has a magnetic tray and kind of goes all over the place. There's only kind of one power button on right here. We got on, off, and then we had, what was it, 3 different modes? 1, 2, 3, high, medium, low. This thing works great. I absolutely loved it, but what's the downfall? Well, M12, right? M12. Now, Milwaukee's got the solution for you. Now, we're still in summertime, but you know, we gotta escalate what we got going on, because pretty soon, it's gonna actually not be like 109, 111, 113 degrees out, and it'll start getting dark when we get off work. Then, we're gonna want, well, more light. 29-20, so bare tool, no battery, M18 magnetic extendable boom light. And this thing is awesome. It should have, if it's like this one, see this one, you could put like nuts and bolts and sockets and all that stuff up under your car if you're working on your frame or like in your wheel well or whatever. And I absolutely love this thing. It's so sick. I'll still use it because it's nice and small. Guaranteed this M18 is probably gonna be a little bit bigger. Guys, don't have one of these. I don't know what you're doing, you're slacking. Somebody mentioned to me on one of my last videos, I was using a Spyderco or a Benchmade or something. They're like, dude, you don't have a fastback? Of course I have a fastback. I've got 2 of them. They're awesome. If you guys are unaware, we're gonna go over that real quick. 2 for 1. It has blade storage, which a lot of people do not realize. Right here in the liner, you can put an extra blade in there. So if I just unlock something that you guys are unaware of, that goes in the side there. It clicks down and it's awesome, and it has blade storage. You can hit the thumb button, releases, up, down. It's loose, you can flick it all around, it's sick. We also have like a little wire stripper, wire cutter. I don't know who the hell would ever cut or strip wire with this, but apparently you can. Got a pocket clip, important bottle opener. That's great at the end of the job. And this is my favorite thing, screwdriver. We have a Phillips, we have a flathead, and we have a 1/4" drive. Now also, if you need extra torque, which is really nice, this has a liner lock, right? So we have to actually open this up like this, liner lock, but you can get sideways. So dude, you can get your hand on this and get some freaking torque. Anyways, let's open the box, right? That's why you guys are here, but if you need to spend like $20, you need this. And I don't even know why I'm using this, because it's not even like really, we'll destroy the box. Boom. Boom. Box destroyed. Okay. We're on to it. We're on to it. Oh yeah. Nothing in the bottom there but some instructions. This thing is a hell of a lot bigger, but dude, what, dude? Okay, it's really big. So I still think I'm gonna use the M12 quite a bit, but we got a nice base. Now what I'm thinking this is for, correct me if I'm wrong, but we got this little pad, and then we got the high-powered magnets. Have you guys ever picked up like metal shavings and scraps and all that sort of stuff with your high-powered magnets? Probably. So I'm gonna guess that's what this pad is for right here. This pad is to keep the magnets going, keep it flat, but when you want to clean it, you can clean it off like that and not have to really go to town on your magnets, which is cool. This thing is freaking huge, my guys. Look at this thing. Ah! Front twists. How many degrees? I don't know what that is. Let's see. Well, let's count. 270 or something. Twist on that front. And this is cool. And then the base, the base is tight. The base twists, but it's very tight. That is 180. Let's see. Is this a full 360? Nah, about 200 and, I don't know, 80 degrees or something. We could read the specs on there, but that's all it goes. We do have a power button on the base now, so that is nice. If we don't want to reach, whoa, all the way up over here, where there is a power button on here, And then it looks like our multiple modes. Out of curiosity, did they throw a USB on here? Dude, yeah, that is what it's for. See, it says caution magnets. They should have just thrown a USB on this thing for charging our phones because it's so freaking giant. Anyways, we're gonna be throwing this under the car later. Let me put a battery on it real quick. I'll blind you in the daylight, but who cares about the day, right? I'm gonna pimp this thing out with a 6.0 XC Forge because fancy new batteries are cool. If you guys don't have one of those, they are awesome. They last about as long as a 12 amp, but they give you the beans all the way through till the end before the power cutoff, which is really nice. I absolutely love it, especially with like lawn stuff, like a weed blower, like my blower, or my edger and stuff like that, or my weed eater. Works really well. Okay, so we got high, medium, and low. Power output is good. It feels dispersed, and it feels nice. We can use this as like a backlight for our head, you know? May have to just start filming with this bad boy. But yeah, overall, pretty dang cool. I like it. Milwaukee logo there. We'll twist her up. Oh yeah, magnetic tray. Where do we got it? We got it here and we got it here. I'm pretty sure, unless they took that away. Oh, Milwaukee. What are you doing? You could have kept it. You could have kept the magnets in the thing, but you didn't. I don't know why. Maybe because I've never actually used the magnet in the middle, but I really do wish Milwaukee kept the magnet in the middle there. That would have been kind of cool. Just because, like I said, I barely ever use this, but you can. It's kind of just that you can. So this is actually going to be my second use of this thing, real world. Sorry for the change in camera, guys, but yeah, this thing, I used it the other day for lighting for filming. It actually worked really, really well. I'm not particularly filming anything today, but you can see this is steel right here. The hood on my M4 is aluminum, so it's not gonna do anything there, but should be able to just pop it right on here, give her a little twist. Now, more so, this is for working underneath the car, but oh man, that is a beauty. I can barely even get that beast in this camera view, but yeah, dude, that thing is freaking sweet. I loved using this the other day, like I said, and there are multiple modes, so honestly, I might just I'll keep it on the highest mode for working out here, but man, this thing lights it up like daytime, to be honest. It's really, really nice, and yeah, I look forward to using this thing more. It's really good. I love the M12 version, but I can just already tell this M18 version is going to be really nice. Like I said, though, there is no magnetic tray right here. That would be cool for, well, all the bits and pieces that I have on the ground right now. I could put bolts and screws on there right now, which would be cool. But anyways, swapping my old intakes back because that one was throwing a code. So throw these on and get it wrapped up. Well, even like on the ground, this thing's been really nice because you can just prop it up. Dude, like this thing, it lights up very nicely, and I could just tell it's gonna last quite a long time. It's cool how it has buttons up top and on the bottom. Plus it has this release arm to release it from its magnetism, which is pretty neat. And then even on the bottom, it has